Fix two-finger scroll not working on Windows 10 or 11. If you want to fix two-finger scroll not working on Windows 10 or 11, there are a couple of stuff that you can do. Now this is because you might have turned on a certain setting. Open up the settings application. Just navigate to Bluetooth and devices. From here you want to simply go to the Touchpad section. Once you go to Touchpad, here you can see scroll and zoom. And just check this option that says drag two fingers to scroll. Now next time whenever you drag two fingers across your touchpad, you will be able to see that it is going to scroll itself. Similarly, you have the three finger gestures and you have the four finger gestures as well. With three fingers, you're gonna see all of these options where you can close and minimize the app. With four fingers also, you'll pretty much be able to see some stuff right here. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in our next video.